Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete Snapchat account. Now first of all, what you have to do is open the Snapchat application, right? Open the Snapchat application, and at the top left corner you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and at the top right corner you can see a gear icon. Simply tap on the gear icon and scroll down, and as you can see there is an option that is from the support section, that is I need help. Simply tap on the I need help under the support section. Now wait for a while, and as it loads you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is simply tap on managing my account, scroll down and tap on managing my account. Now what you have to do is simply tap on delete or reactivate my account. Okay, now all you have to do is simply tap on how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. Simply tap on this first option. You will see something like this. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this, scroll down and tap on Snapchat accounts portal. Simply tap on Snapchat accounts portal, that is in blue color, and you will see an interface like this. Now all you have to do is type your username or your email address, then tap next, and after that what you have to do is type your password, and then your Snapchat account will be deactivated, and it will show you a message which will say that your Snapchat account has been deactivated. That means your Snapchat account has been deleted. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.